seen these cars drifting out here, but, you know, a couple of these riders out here, they'll be drifting themselves on these bikes. How about that no-hander wheelie by O-Dog? No hands, put your hands up for O-Dog. On the green Cowie, right there on the freeway side bleachers. Busting out them circle combos, in and out with a clutch. You got Sick J from the RealSickRiders.com doing the Christ on the white 600R. How about Mikey D? About right here, going through the center. O-Dog with the rev limiter coaster. Remember guys, don't try these at home. It'll ruin your carpet. Come on, freeway side, get loud, bro. O-Dog right there, busting out those circle combos. How about Sick Mikey D on that freeway side? Oh, how about that? You guys gotta cheer louder when they crash. Cheer louder. The louder you guys get, the more nervous these guys get. You'll probably see them dump their bike. You guys all like crashes, right?